OpenAI has just released ChatGPT Work, its direct response to Claude's workspaces, and it's a huge upgrade for anyone building a business. In just a few minutes, I created a professional laundry service website, a working online booking system, an admin dashboard that receives customer orders, Instagram posts for marketing, and a complete investor pitch deck, all without writing code. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how I did it step by step. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll notice when you open ChatGPT is that there are now two major tabs, Chat and Work. Think of it like this. The Chat tab is where you ask questions, brainstorm ideas, and have conversations with AI. But the Work tab is where things become powerful. This is where ChatGPT actually builds projects, works with files, connects to apps, and helps you complete real-world tasks, not just answer questions. If you're running a business, creating content, or building products, this is the tab you'll probably spend most of your time in. One feature that makes ChatGPT Work even more powerful is plugins. Simply open the plugin directory. Here you'll find hundreds of plugins covering different categories like productivity, design, marketing, presentations, automation, and much more. You can simply search for the tool you need instead of leaving ChatGPT to do the work elsewhere. This makes your workflow much faster because everything happens in one place. Now let me show you something that completely surprised me. I created this entire laundry service website using nothing more than a simple prompt. I switched to the Work tab, then typed, "Create a professional website for a laundry service business with a booking form." That's it. One simple prompt. It took about 3 minutes and 25 seconds to generate, and here's the result. A clean, modern landing page with the headline, "Fresh Laundry, More Time for You." It explains the service beautifully. We collect, expertly clean, and return your clothes perfectly folded, right to your door. It even includes a Schedule a Pickup button. Let's test it. Click the button. The booking form asks for customer name, phone number, pickup address, pickup date, pickup time, laundry service required. After filling everything in, click Confirm. It displays all the information again, so the customer can verify that everything is correct. That's a small detail, but it creates a much better user experience. Now, here's the impressive part. When the customer submits the booking, the order automatically appears inside the admin dashboard. Let's open the admin page. Here you'll see every booking with all the customer details needed to schedule pickup. You'll even notice my earlier test booking sitting there. And yes, this entire workflow was built using ChatGPT's free plan. That's genuinely impressive. Let's move on to marketing. A business without promotion won't grow. Fortunately, ChatGPT Work makes this incredibly easy. Open the prompt box. Press Shift+2 to open plugins. Search for Canva. Then use a prompt like, "Create attractive Instagram posts promoting my laundry service business." Within moments, ChatGPT generates multiple professional social media designs. These aren't rough concepts. They're polished graphics that are ready to publish. Click the Canva icon to preview the designs. If you want to change anything, simply click Edit in Canva. You can modify colors, fonts, images, text, logos. Basically, everything. Once you're happy, download the design and post it directly to Instagram or any other social media platform. Now let's create something that would normally take hours, an investor presentation. Again, press Shift+2. Search for the presentation plugin. Then use this prompt. Create a professional investor pitch deck for my laundry service business. ChatGPT Work generates a complete presentation with professionally designed slides covering the business idea. Here's something many people don't know. You can even turn this pitch deck into a professional AI video presentation. If you'd like to learn that entire workflow, I've already made a complete tutorial showing exactly how to do it. I'll link it on the screen and in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more AI tutorials that help you save time and build amazing projects with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.